Welcome back to the BMS 365 e-learning tips. Now that you've completed the critical audits, it's time to move forward with the next steps in your month-end process. The topic for today is 4 key views to eliminate reconciliation discrepancies. So after running the essential checks, which we discussed on the previous video, you may want to review the rest of the pre-costing utilities audits and address any issues that arise as soon as possible. However, if you're pressed for time, you can proceed to run the costing utilities and prepare manufacturing journals. But remember, do not post them yet. I'll leave a link to the previous video in the comments section, or you can also find it on the BMS 365 e-learning tips YouTube channel. At this stage, it is crucial to conduct additional reviews to ensure everything is in order. Consider checking for incorrect product codes, negative cost layers, incorrect inventory balances, work order discrepancies, and material over/under issues. So using the Inventory Reconciliation app will greatly streamline this process. Here are the 4 key views you should run to capture those tricky issues. First, filter for negative quantities. Yes, one more time. We need to find out if we have negative on hand. Share the list with your production or inventory team once again for immediate action. Understand the reasons behind these negatives and train them on the consequences for your financials so they can help you avoid them moving forward. Second, filter for items with 0 quantity on hand but with evaluation different than 0. To correct these incorrect layers, run costing tools for calculate distributions or force FIFO if necessary. Remember to correct one part at a time and using the proper starting date to avoid turning on posting candidates unnecessarily. Third, check for positive quantities that have 0 inventory balances. You can fix these by running costing tools, recalculate inventory balances. Lastly, filter for positive quantities where the difference column shows a value different than 0 or exceeds a specific threshold. These cases need a deeper analysis to determine if the valuation is reasonable. If it is, apply the fix for inventory balances. If it's not, then you'll need to use the fix for incorrect layers. So following these steps ensures your month-end close is accurate and efficient. The Inventory Reconciliation app makes these tasks manageable and very straightforward. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy reconciling. Remember to subscribe to the BMS 365 e-learning tips channel if you like this video and want to see more visual tips.